Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, it is going to be how to cut 180-degree, 360-degree and 720-degree flare skirt. So the measurement that you are going to be needing is the waist measurement and the skirt length. Now our waist measurement is 21 inches and the skirt length is 12 inches. As you can see, I've done the calculations that we will need for this tutorial. So for the 180-degree flare skirt, we need the waist measurement plus 1 inch seam allowance divided by 3.14. That is 21 inches plus 1 inch to give us 22 inches divided by 3.14 to give us 7 inches. Now the length of the skirt is 12 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance to give us 13 inches. Now to know the amount of fabric to put on fold, you will use your calculated skirt waist, which was 7, plus the skirt length 13 to give us 20. In this way, you will know the amount of fabric to put on fold. Let me just because as you can see, I folded this pattern piece, but so you just have to measure to see if you have up to 20. So now this is 20 by 20 here. Then you now fold. You fold in a triangular manner like this for the 180-degree flare skirt. Now you remember I said my waist measurement is 7 inches. So from the peak of this pattern piece here, I'm going to mark 7 inches all through. 7 inches. Like that. And our skirt length, we said is 20 after summing everything up. So we go that way. Mark out your 20. Still at the tip of the triangle here, you mark out your 20 inches. And you connect. And also connect the broken lines here like that. With this, you are free to cut out your skirt. So now we are just going to cut out and also cut out the down part of the pattern here. So when you unfold like this, so you see this is a half circle. So this now gives us our 180-degree flare skirt. Now let's move ahead to the 360-degree. Note that when cutting your 180-degree skirt, you are going to fold your fabric or your pattern in a triangular manner, but if it is for the 360 and 720, you can fold it in a rectangular manner. So now guys, the next cutting will be that of 360-degree flare skirt. All you need is your waist measurement divided by 6.28. That is 22 inches divided by 6.28 will give us 3.5 inches. Then the amount of fabric to put on fold is that your 3.5 inches plus your skirt length, which is 13 inches, to give us 16.5 inches. And also notice that this pattern is folded in a rectangular form. It wasn't folded in a triangular form like I did while cutting the 180-degree flare skirt. Now let's put in the necessary measurements. Now our waist is 3.5. Now I'm going to mark 3.5 all through. 3.5, 3.5, 3.5, and now I can connect the broken lines like this. Now our skirt length is 16.5, but because this pattern piece here, the length is not enough, so we are just going to make do with what we have here. So we have 13 inches, so I'm just going to go with that. 13 inches all through, 13 inches. So when you're cutting on your fabric, just know that is the length of your skirt that you will mark along this point here. So I'm just taking 13 inches for shortage of pattern. Then the next thing to do is to connect all these broken lines. This is the sorry 360 guys, 360-degree flare skirt. Now I'm just going to cut it out and spread it out for you guys to see. So guys, this is the 360-degree flare skirt. I'm spreading it out now. It is also called the full flare skirt. So this is the look of it, as you can see. I'm running out of camera space. But I hope you guys can see it. Now let's forge ahead to the 720-degree flare skirt. I'm still going to be using this pattern here for the 720-degree flare skirt. I'm left with only this pattern, so we are just going to make do with what we have. Now guys, the next cutting is the 720-degree flare skirt, and we are going to be use the same pattern we used for the 360-degree flare skirt. Reason is because I ran out of pattern paper, but nothing spoiled, guys. We can still make do of what we have here. Now for the 720-degree flare skirt, all you need to do is your waist measurement divided by 2. Our waist measurement was 22 inches. When we divide it by 2, we have 11 inches. Yeah, then this 11 inches, you further divide it by 6.28. So 11 divided by 6.28 will give us 1.75. Now this is our waist measurement for the 720-degree flare skirt. So 1.75 is here. You mark 1.75 all through 1.75, and we are going to pretend by using the same length we use for the 360-degree flare skirt, as we are using same pattern. So you are just going to connect the broken lines and you cut out again. But note that for this 720-degree flare skirt, you are going to cut 2 of these. Like when you are cutting with your fabric, after cutting out like this is it. You can see that the circumference is smaller than the 360-degree flare skirt we just cut. I'm using the same pattern, sorry. Now this is the circumference for the 720-degree flare skirt, but you are going to cut this twice. Like after cutting this first one, you cut again. Then after cutting the second fabric, all you need to do is you will split this area, one part of your flare skirt, and also split the same area of your second fabric that you cut, and you will join them together. This is called the double full flare skirt. If you find this video helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know each time I upload a new video. Also share this video, share it to your friends, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you on my next one. Bye.